If you want to preview your Squarespace site before publishing, or just make sure everything looks right on different screen sizes, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Previewing your site is one of the most important steps before you go live, because what looks perfect on desktop can sometimes look completely different on mobile. Text can shift, images can crop in unexpected ways, and buttons can appear too close together. So if you're building a website in Squarespace, this is a simple habit that can save you a lot of time and frustration. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. Once you're inside your Squarespace editor, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the device view icon there. This is the button that lets you preview your site in different device layouts. Go ahead and click that icon once. After you do that, you'll see the available view options appear, and you can cycle through them to switch between desktop view and mobile view. Desktop view gives you a wider layout that shows how your site appears on a computer, while mobile view shows you exactly how it will look on a phone screen. This is really helpful because a page can look perfectly aligned on desktop, but then on mobile, the spacing may feel tighter, the text may wrap differently, or an image may be cropped in a way you didn't expect. As you switch between the views, take a moment to review your header, your images, your buttons, and especially your text blocks. If anything looks off, you can go back into the editor and make adjustments before publishing. A great tip here is to always test your pages in mobile view before you publish them. Mobile traffic is huge for most websites, and this is where most design issues show up first. Pay close attention to text alignment and image cropping, because those are two of the most common problem areas. If your heading is too wide, it may break into awkward lines. If your image is too large, it may crop out the part you actually wanted to show. Previewing in mobile view helps you catch those problems early, so your site looks polished and professional on every device. And that's it. That's how you preview your Squarespace site by using the device view icon and toggling between desktop and mobile layouts. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference in how your website looks when visitors actually use it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, web design guides, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.